Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a durable and multifunctional tool pouch to finish little projects around your house? Well, look no further than this amazing tool belt from MELOTOUGH. My husband has had the same old tool belt for years, and while it did us good, it was time for an upgrade, and I'm so thankful that we found this one. Although this tool belt is made for an electrician, we have found that it works on many different maintenance projects around our house. The durability is outstanding. You can see how tough it is by the stitching. The material is not only waterproof, but it's tough enough to carry our screwdrivers, screws, nails, and other tools and hardware that can puncture fabric without any problem. We were also impressed with the amount of tools that we could carry and keep organized. This tool bag may be small, but it's mighty, and it has several different storage pockets to carry everything that you need for all the projects and keep them all organized so that you're not searching around in your tool belt for the right tool. My husband also loved that not only can you secure it around your waist with the adjustable strap, but you can also clip it to your belt, and it has a belt loop. You can find this tool belt in different sizes to fit whatever project you need it for perfectly, and it comes at a great price. So if your old, dusty, crusty tool belt needs an upgrade, then I highly recommend this durable and functional tool belt from MELOTOUGH. And that's my point of view.